Sure. Here's a YouTube video script for a review of the Dongfeng Box EV 2025, written in a natural, engaging style without headings or labels. Today we're diving into one of the boldest electric sedans coming out of China, the all-new Dongfeng Box EV 2025. Right off the bat, the design is impossible to ignore. This luxury EV sedan commands attention with its ultra-shiny, glossy golden finish that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. The front fascia is aggressive but refined, with sharp LED headlights and a seamless aerodynamic profile. As we walk around the vehicle, you can see how every line is crafted for both performance and presence. The rear design is just as striking, sleek. Taillights stretch across the back, and the sculpted bumper gives it a strong, sporty feel. Even standing still, this car looks like it's in motion. Stepping inside, the luxury continues. The cabin is spacious, ultra-modern, and finished with premium materials. The seats are wrapped in high-grade leather with beautiful stitching and support that hugs you in all the right places. Every surface feels thoughtfully designed, whether it's the soft-touch dashboard or the metallic trim around the controls. Speaking of the dashboard, this is where the Dongfeng Box EV 2025 really shows its futuristic side. A massive digital panel spans across the front, merging the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one sleek unit. The interface is intuitive and fast, packed with features like real-time navigation, app integration, and AI-assisted driving functions. Driving this car is an experience in itself. Thanks to its fully electric powertrain, acceleration is smooth and silent. The instant torque gives it that signature EV punch, and the handling is tight, especially in urban settings. Dongfeng has also included adaptive suspension to enhance comfort, making this a solid choice for long drives or luxury commuting. Range anxiety? Not a problem here. With an estimated range of over 500 kilometers on a single charge, the Box EV 2025 holds its own against the competition. Fast charging support is on board, so getting back on the road doesn't take long either. One of the things that truly stands out is the attention to detail. Ambient lighting sets the mood inside, and the panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin even more. It feels like a lounge on wheels, but with the tech and performance of a next-gen EV, this isn't just another electric sedan. It's Dongfeng's bold statement that luxury and sustainability can coexist without compromise. If you're looking for a futuristic ride that blends style, comfort, and serious tech, the Dongfeng Box EV 2025 should absolutely be on your radar. Let me know if you want a shorter version or one with voiceover cues or B-roll suggestions.